Good morning and welcome to another Thrifty Thursday at St. Vincent de Paul in East St. Louis. Today, Alicia and I are going to demonstrate how you can make a really fun Easter centerpiece for your table. A lot of the items came from here and a few of the items were bought at Dollar Tree. So basically it's a pool noodle with eggs that have been stuck with the stick and popped in there with a little grass around it. So it's very easy to assemble and you can do it yourself, I'm sure. So Alicia and I are going to demonstrate how to do this. Alicia?
Okay, so we had 2 pool noodles and we just cut off about 18 inches with a bread knife. The only thing is you want each pool noodle to be the same size. So I cut off about 18 inches and then I zip tied each end as tight as you could pull it. The center will eventually have a glass stand with a peep on it, a plastic peep. So I'm going to use the glass right now to spread it. So your eggs, these eggs are very easy to use because they have holes in the bottom. So you see that hole? So if you take your glue gun, put some hot glue on it, it makes it quite easy to put the skewer in. So what I'm using is bamboo skewers that we also bought at the dollar store.
Here. No, they came from here too.
Oh,
Nice.
You got it from
That's
here.
gonna come in.
Or you can buy them at the dollar store.
You never know what you can find at your thrift stores.
And every skewer, we just cut it 2 to 3 pieces using the wire cutters again. So as you can see, there's the hole in the egg, which makes it quite easy. The hot glue melts it a little bit, and then it's easy to put the skewer in. So I let it rest for a couple of minutes. So these eggs are dry. I'm just trying to spread out my colors. And it's okay that I can see the pool noodle because I will be putting the grass in between it at the very end. And this one over here took about 35 plastic eggs. These eggs are bigger, so it would probably take a little bit less. Okay, so I would continue to fill it up like this one over here. And eventually I'd pick my peep.
Maybe the pink peep?
Yeah, so we would hot glue the glass right on the top of the glass. There you go. So, when my pool noodle is filled up, then I will take my grass and fill it in. Obviously, we need some more eggs. It's very easy. It might be a little time consuming, but it's very easy.
No, I didn't think it was time consuming, Alicia. I thought it went really fast when we did this one.
And there you have it.
So what you have is a lovely centerpiece. We could probably put a few more eggs in this one, but it's bright. I mean, it was wonderful walking in the door and seeing all these bright Eastery colors. So think about it. It's not hard to do. A few items from the Dollar Tree and you're ready to go to make your own decoration for your Easter table. I just want to also add that we would love to have your donations for our store. The stores supports our ministries that we have here at St. Vincent de Paul. You can bring them directly here to 8517 State Street, or you can take them to our office at 8800 West Main Street in Belleville. So either location, we would be happy to have your donations, clothing and household. So thank you so much for watching, and Enjoy the spring weather and happy Easter.
Happy Easter.